Hi, so my name is Val, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make lamb hand roll burgers. Sounds weird? Don't knock it until you've tried it. Again, if you're used to making burgers with lettuce wraps, you'll notice the lettuce starts cracking, juices start leaking, gets a little nasty, and you got different sizes of lettuce leaves. It's just a pain. Nori, the seaweed that you use for sushi is much more consistent and does a much better job of holding all the juices in and holding in all the awesome toppings that you want to put on your burgers. So let's dive right in. Alright, so here are the ingredients that we're going to use. What we have here is about a pound of pasture-fed lamb from Three Corner Field Farm here in New York. About 10 sheets of nori that I just got from the ShopRite's Asian food section. And Kerrygold for cooking. Some random lettuce, some pickles. My personal favorite secret, teeny tiny Spice Co.'s whoop ass. Oops, am I allowed to curse in this? Yeah, whatever. Whoop ass is really spicy, really delicious, and makes for some awesome burgers. And then the worst and most difficult part is salsa. If you're using a lettuce wrap, like, this stuff is going to leak all over the place, but I'll show you that with nori. You can actually sort of get yourself like a nice salsa-rich burger and have it work properly. So first thing I'm going to do, just form up all the lamb into little patties. Again, size doesn't really matter. One of the other nice things about nori, you don't have to be a stickler. Everything will work out just fine. Just piece it together into patties roughly maybe this big. And now the best part, get to put some whoop ass all over the patties. Don't go overboard, this stuff is really spicy. My girlfriend has often ruined pieces of chicken by putting on too much whoop ass and then breathing fire afterwards. Okay, now that the whoop ass is on the patties, throw them into a pan with some butter. Again, keep it on a low temperature because, well, don't want to dry the lamb out. Just be patient. No butter shouldn't be bubbling or popping or smoking in any way. Just cook it at a nice slow temperature for a fairly long time. We'll see how long this actually ends up being. I just kind of eyeball things. So just start flipping the patties once they start browning. Okay, so now we're ready to go. Have a bunch of patties, have a bunch of fries, have a bunch of toppings ready, and have some salsa, have some guac. Let's bust out some nori. Key here is folding it. It's a little bit of an old origami trick, but as you can see, square piece of paper, square piece of nori rather. You start folding it in from basically hold it like a diamond like this. Start folding it towards the middle from the sides and sort of bend it inwards in the middle. So it comes down like this and fold it out here. Oops daisy. what she gets is this little structure here. Now, put in a patty, put in pickles, put in some lettuce, and most importantly, get me all of the salsa. Gonna go a bit overkill on the salsa for demonstration purposes, and voila, there you go. And as you can see, crunch it together. Salsa's not going anywhere. And dig in.